Apple gearing up for the M5 iPad Pro launch in late 2025. Apple is preparing to introduce the next-generation iPad Pro, powered by its upcoming M5 chip, and it's expected to hit the market towards the end of 2025. While this update may not bring a complete overhaul in design, it introduces a notable innovation that could dramatically improve usability: dual front-facing cameras. According to a report from Bloomberg's well-known Apple analyst, Mark Gurman, this new camera system is being developed to solve a long-standing user experience challenge: how the front-facing camera behaves depending on how the device is held. This change could mark one of the most meaningful iPad Pro updates in years, particularly for users who rely on their tablets equally for media consumption, video conferencing, creative work, and productivity. Apple's shift toward refining the user experience, even with such subtle yet impactful hardware decisions, reflects the company's ongoing strategy to make the iPad Pro a true hybrid of a tablet and a laptop. A thoughtful camera upgrade, addressing real user concerns. The biggest criticism Apple faced with the M4 iPad Pro was the relocation of the front camera to the landscape edge. While it was ideal for video calls when using the iPad in a horizontal position, especially with a keyboard, users who frequently use the device in portrait orientation found this move frustrating. The camera angle felt unnatural during vertical video calls, selfies, or FaceTime sessions. Apple is reportedly responding to that feedback with a dual front-facing camera system on the upcoming M5 iPad Pro. One front camera will remain on the landscape edge, designed for professional use cases like video meetings or calls during docked or keyboard-connected sessions. The second camera will be placed on the portrait edge, allowing for more natural use when the iPad is held vertically. This seemingly small change actually reflects a deep understanding of the way people use tablets, not just as flat touchscreens, but as versatile devices that shift orientations constantly depending on the task at hand. Enhanced Face ID and frictionless orientation switching. The addition of a second front-facing camera is expected to significantly improve Face ID reliability and flexibility. Currently, Face ID can sometimes be obstructed or awkward to use depending on how the iPad is being held. With two dedicated cameras, the system could intelligently detect orientation and activate the correct camera, ensuring smooth and secure face unlocking no matter how the device is positioned. This could also enable better usability in apps that require constant rotation, such as reading apps, note-taking tools, video editing software, or presentation modes. The change essentially brings orientation independence to the iPad Pro experience, making it feel smarter, more responsive, and more intuitive. A big win for both casual users and professionals. M5 chip, a performance leap with efficiency in focus. Under the hood, the M5 iPad Pro will be powered by Apple's next-generation M5 chip, which is expected to deliver better overall performance, enhanced multitasking capabilities, and longer battery life. While detailed benchmarks are yet to be revealed, Apple is likely to focus on efficiency and real-world performance gains, especially in handling demanding workflows such as 4K video editing, 3D modeling, app development, and simultaneous multitasking across apps. The M5 chip may also benefit from architectural improvements in machine learning, enabling faster AI-based tasks, better voice recognition, and more intelligent on-device automation. It's likely that this iPad will be the first Apple device to ship with the M5 chip, followed closely by upgraded MacBook Pro models. Design continuity. M5 iPad Pro is likely to retain slim form factor. Aside from the front camera change, the iPad Pro's overall design is expected to remain largely the same. That includes the 11-inch and 13-inch OLED displays, both featuring ProMotion technology with adaptive refresh rates from 10 Hz to 120 Hz, ensuring fluid animations and efficient power usage. Storage options are expected to go up to 2 terabytes, offering plenty of room for creatives, professionals, and power users. The device will also retain USB-C with Thunderbolt 3 support, allowing for fast data transfer, external display connections, and accessory expansion. The rear camera setup will likely stay the same. A single 12-megapixel camera paired with a LiDAR scanner and LED flash, supporting AR applications and professional-level scanning or depth mapping. iPadOS 26, a software update that complements the hardware. The new M5 iPad Pro will launch with iPadOS 26, the latest version of Apple's tablet operating system. This update, previewed at WWDC 2025, includes a host of features designed to enhance productivity and multitasking. Users can expect better window management tools, improved background task handling, and a more powerful Files app, which brings the iPad closer to macOS in terms of file organization and workflow control. Another major feature is new audio recording tools, which could be aimed at podcasters, journalists, students, and professionals who rely on the iPad for on-the-go content creation. iPadOS 26 also improves keyboard and external display support, continuing Apple's push to position the iPad Pro as a true productivity powerhouse. A strategic and smart upgrade, not a revolution. While the M5 iPad Pro may not bring a dramatic redesign or revolutionary new features, it signals Apple's careful attention to real-world user habits and professional workflows. The dual front-facing camera system is a smart, practical solution that enhances how people actually use their devices, a balance of thoughtful engineering and strategic refinement. Combined with the power of the M5 chip and the versatility of iPadOS 26, the next-generation iPad Pro is shaping up to be a mature, capable, and flexible device for both work and play. It might not look very different from the outside, but on the inside, it's designed to adapt to the evolving needs of users in 2025 and beyond. Final words: expect more details soon. As the launch window approaches, we can expect Apple to share more details about the M5 iPad Pro, particularly its performance specs, camera functionality, and software enhancements. Until then, the dual front-facing cameras remain the most exciting and unique upgrade in the upcoming model, aimed at solving an issue users have been discussing for years. Stay tuned, subscribe for more updates, and don't forget to like and share this video for the latest Apple news, leaks, and deep dives right here on your trusted tech channel.